Welcome to VibeZen Daily. In today's practice, we're diving into one of yoga's most iconic and foundational poses, downward facing dog. Whether you're brand new to yoga or just looking to refine your alignment, this video will help you understand the pose step by step, with tips for beginners and insights for improving strength, flexibility, and focus. Let's roll out the mat and get started. That was downward facing dog, a pose that strengthens, stretches, and centers all at once. The more you practice it, the more natural and energizing it will feel in your flow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow yoga guidance here on VibeZen Daily. Until next time, stay calm, stay grounded, and keep flowing.